Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. I thought I'd do a full video on this one, telling you what I did and made it with. It's got a little super glue gassing out on it, but probably too much super glue. Came out good. We got a 70 cab and frame, 53 Ford bed. Got Iceman Collection wheels. Two different size. Well, the rim size itself is the same size, but the tires are, one is wide and one is narrow. And we got some decals I found in my collection. We got the golden rubber duck hood ornament. Then for under the hood, we got a nice 390 V8. And we got a 3D printed battery under there. And got some cool stripes with the black and green paint job. Alright guys. I'm going to get the next one to reset and be right with you. So this is my International SST Scout by AMT Ertl. I did this one a while back ago. I changed out the roll bar because I didn't really like the one they put in there. I made my own. I was going to put some lights on it, but I couldn't find any lights to put on there. Did it in just a gloss blue and black with a different shade of blue inside the seats. Got a beautiful International 345 V8 in there with all the amenities, and Ertl kind of missed some details on this kit when they made it. They forgot some stuff, you know what I mean? And yeah, that's that one. So I'll swing it around and show it off a little bit here. And it came out good. I mean, it's a fun little kit. So this is the GMG headquarters shop van, otherwise known as the High Flyer. And as you can see, I got a bug guard on the front, done with the yellow clear plastic. And I also use that same plastic on the driver's side window, and the little window right here. I put the my bare metal foil on the back of that. Then I put the decal over it on the outside, the little cat there. And this is the High Flyer. Then we got the little decal on the back window here, with the yellow glass, of course, again. And reused the taillights that were on it. Then again, we got some more decals around it. Very nice decal work. They came out actually good for being a rebuild. I had to chop down the radiator top a little bit, and to make the hood closed. And I just put the battery in there. I reused the bumpers I had with it. I just painted them. It was a mica silver Tamiya with a blue mica silver with a Tamiya flat black under it. And this one actually came out pretty good for being a rebuild. A rebuild and return it back to normal height, as this was originally sitting on a shortened Louisville chassis with dualies in the back and regular wheels in the front. So came out good as the High Flyer right here. And my wife helped me out with the putting the interior pieces, panels in there on the back. Then it has 1970, 69 or 70 Mustang seats in there, and one race car seat for the person doing all the labor in the back. So it came out very good. I just added decals to it, being the High Flyer, which I found in my decal stash. And I really like the way this came out. It's a lot of decals for one van. And I just have a problem. I just can't do a plain Jane van. I got to do something with them. I don't know how many of you guys do that, but that's just where I am. And I just put them all together right here. So this is like some of the trucks and vans I finished. And as you can see, I just thought I would do a quick video and show them off to you. Alright guys, you have a good day and thanks for watching. Alright, bye.